What happens in our baby's brain when we expose it to a screen? Do you know how you harm your baby when you expose it to the screen? Screens deliver extreme stimuli to the brain through the optic nerve. Children exposed to excessive screen cannot perceive natural stimuli. As this child grows, it causes behavioral problems such as attention deficit, hyperactivity, learning speech disorder, and excessive aggression. In addition, children who spend time with the screen constantly get used to it, as higher levels of dopamine and endorphin are secreted, and this can lead to an increase in screen addiction. According to experts, babies aged 0 to watching TV more than 2 hours a day cause an increase in autism symptoms. According to the data released by the American Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, in 2021, the incidence of autism in children has increased approximately 50 times since 1985. Autism, which was seen in 1 out of 2,500 children in 1985, is now seen in 1 of every 44 children. When children are exposed to colorful stimuli on television, tablet and phone screens from infancy, they focus on the action on the screen, and their brains get tired much more than normal. In this case, factors with symptoms of autism such as poor eye contact, distraction, and inadequacy in social relations manifest themselves due to the lack of social stimulus during infancy in children. There are differing opinions among experts on the age at which babies meet the screen, but in general, many health organizations, such as the American Academy of Pediatrics, recommend that babies be kept away from screens for at least 18 months. Some experts recommend keeping babies away from screens until they are 2 years old.